Well going everybody, welcome back to my channel here on MDC Vids, the entertainment channel, where I just distract you from the fact that yes, we're still in a pandemic, wearing a mask, still hand sanitizer and them thing there. Not because of New Year, no, still in a pandemic. In fact, COVID out here talk about New Year, New Me, if you know about that new stream there. Anyway, so if you don't realize, I'm back in my bathroom, here with you. Y'all see me, fresh, line, and all these things. Yeah. This time now, I'm not really sure if you tell me what I'm gonna do, but basically I'm gonna experiment for me here. I'm kinda want to know company. So I'm decided to video it. If it's a success, the topic would be how to define your coils or something like that. If it not come out, I don't want to come out, it's gonna name experiment fail. So either way, I'm not gonna know what happened. So before we get into the video, just hit the subscribe button so you can join the MBC Vids family. I like having a little community grow here, so you know we can vibe and chill and thing. And turn on your post notifications so you know when we make a new video. And don't forget throughout the video to just click the like, you know, it help me a lot and thing, and just share around the video and everything's there. So we're fresh from the bar, so you know, so we are gonna wash my hair and everything, get everything clean, you know, wash out all the products and all of everything that we're gonna keep. So, this is going to happen in my shower, or I'm like to call it the stage from a world tour. Cause did you really bathe if you never had a world tour where you meet and greet your fans and you have your interviews and all that thing there? Yo Jamaica, you ready? Alright everybody, what going on me in the shower and thing. So I'm going to me here. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to pre-poo me here with the conditioner. Basically pre-pooing is putting in conditioner before you shampoo your hair. Just your hair have enough moisture so that you know you're not just shampoo out all of the moisture out of your hair. You have a good base to start with. Then after me putting the conditioner, I'm going to just shampoo it. I think both brands are Tresemme. And that I try show nobody I try to put my hand behind them if you try and make it focus, but it never did that work. But yeah. Basically now the water they out of the whole place and close up the place, but basically just shampoo and then condition. Yeah, basically washed it, conditioned it later ago. My voice probably told you already, but yeah. So it's time to dry, but not too much, and then put in the product. Alright, so hair dry, but not too dry, kind of still damp-ish. So what I'm going to do now is I'll go on the beard a bit. Normally when I wash my hair, I have a lot of products I put in it. Like I have a whole routine for my wash days, but when it comes on to putting in styles with gel, and I'm gonna skip all of that because every single one of my products, like just whenever I mix with gel, it get white and it dry white. So when I really want that, so I just normally skip all of the this routine steps I'm gonna have for my normal wash days when I work with gel. So I'm gonna just put the gel on the raw hair, which is why I'm gonna condition my hair so much when I wash, because I want to make sure it's hair moisturized for the time when it's in a gel state. Oh, by the way, fellas with beards, we in the shower, don't forget to condition the beard sometime. I condition it a while ago. You don't have to, but I do it, so. Alright, so now for the most important part of the experiment, the gel. So I want to remember my friend from last hair video popped up. Yep, so we're gonna try to finish that one at first. If we're gonna finish it and then go on to the next one I'm gonna have. Remember I have a bag of both place. Yeah. So basically for this style it's just to plop the gel in the hair and hope for the best. Let's take like this much first, you know, just like dip and go and just see what works for you. Start glob it on. Glob. Oh my glob. So give me flashbacks to the finger coiling. Also, disclaimer, please, if you know products that won't make your gel dry white or won't make your gel white, please tell me, because I don't think it's good to be putting raw gel in your head just like that. Alright, so the hair, I think it has enough, like as much gel as the hair can handle. You know, it might look crazy right now, man, because it could be crazy, but don't judge it just yet, because the rest of the experiment not done yet. There's one important ingredient we're going to do tomorrow morning when I wake up, and that's gonna tie the whole thing together. But if the experiment fails, then we just have to go wash out everything. I'll probably just, I would say leave it like this. Let me see.
Stiff wear. Woo! Stiff wear.
I don't know how that even look. How that look? I don't think so. But we're gonna let it dry tonight, hopefully, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna do something, and then we're gonna see. I think it's going to look good when I do it, but I'm just worried about when it dry after what I do tomorrow.
Alright, morning everybody, it's the next day. Can't bother set up a ring light just for just for that little piece of footage. Yeah, this is basically how my hair looks after sleeping on it with do-rag. Let me just puff it back out. It's still kind of damp, but that's cool, that's fine. So that thing that I told you I was going to do to it, the rest of the experiment is just basically wet it. So I'm going to go in the shower and just wet it, and it's supposed to do something to it that hopefully it works. I mean, I don't know, but let's see. So basically this is what it looks like, wet with gel in there, and but I'm kind of worried about the drying process because the shrinkage might fill up everything, but we'll see how it goes.
Alright, so I'm back with the voice. So my teeth mother hair dryer, and the attachment there when you the diffuser. Yes, I'm just like try dry me here, but trust me, with the gel and the water, it never did a dry, if you know. It's a bag, trust me. This time lapse was long as hell, plus there was some behind the scenes whenever I get shoot, and here just ain't a dry.
Alright, so basically the hair dryer take too long. It just take too long. And it's not dry. It's still not dry. So I'm not really sure it's gonna look dry. So I guess we just have to go about midday in the sun and just hope it's dry in the sun and dry properly. It might dry fully by like 1 o'clock when the shoot is happening, the photo shoot is happening. And hey, it might look crazy, but I'm gonna bring the comb and everything in case it may come out weird. I'll just comb it out and so. Cause I mean this angle don't look that bad. But then this angle kinda look crazy. Look like I'm working in a yard and near my dog or something. You know.
So this is basically how the hair look at about 1:30. So as you can see, it don't look that bad. Alright, so this is the hair after the entire day I had today. So this is the hair after running up and down to the tail like the sun, driving to Portmore from Clarendon with the window down, reaching the place and the place breezy, doing the photo shoot, changing shirt, you know, putting on shirt, taking off shirt, driving back home, window down. This is how dry. I personally, I don't know if I don't want to call it, you know, whatever, but I'm gonna call this a win. Cause look at the coils. I don't know if y'all can like see properly and stuff, but like it's lit. I'm calling this a win.
Oh, that's good for you, baby.
You know, cause normally when I use the gel by itself, as you could have seen, it just normally kind of still puffy. You get the definition, but it's still puffy and not really like as laid on as this. But like with the water, will help weigh it down and help clump it up.
you're good.
So I guess I'm gonna already by now know if it come out good or not. But whatever. So I'm gonna name this vid, you know. Wow, we're gonna name it 4C hair hack, whatever I name it. But yeah, we want this experiment, so video done. I don't know, can't see, but I'm wearing this shirt. Next week, we don't know what that means. So make sure to subscribe and have the notification bell on so you can get that video notification when we set it up next week. Don't forget to like this video and just comment some things that some of the hacks that you do with your hair so that we can probably try them or do a video on them to see if it works for me. But yeah, me kinda tired, I want to sleep now, I kinda want beard, I just want beard. Look for me. I'm tired. So thank you for coming and watching this video. Come back next week, I'm gonna do a brand new video on the Tuesday in this evening.